Alright guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another car stands video. Today I have for you BMW M4 Kodox edition, and this is by Kodox. Before we get started guys, I just want to say thank you guys so much for all the love and support on the car channel. We're almost to, I think, 800 subscribers. Let's hit it and then let's pass it, okay? Alright, let's check out this sweet M4. Yo, the sound of the rain hitting the car sounds amazing. Flicky media, dude. Tell me how this looks like it's a video game. This looks like it's a video game. If they make a Need for Speed, they need to have this M4 in it, and they need to have Kodox in there with the visuals. Cause God, hold on, I can't cuss yet. God damn, this looks good. All right. Dude, this is beautiful. And this rap is crazy. Oh, bro. '93 ho, I love it. Oh, this thing is sexy, bro. Oh my God. Is that under the hood? Yo. See, the owner looks like all he did was just wrap it, get new wheels, and put a spoiler on the car. I think he changed the mirrors too, but I'm not too sure. And it looks clean like that. It looks clean, simple but clean. Whoa. This rap is insane. Shit. Oh, bro. The visuals look really good, bro. Yo, Kodox, this looks amazing. It's a right-hand drive. Yo. That shit look crazy. That shit look crazy. I love it. I love it. I love everything about it. Guys, this is it. Thank you so much for watching. Kodox and Flicky Media, thank you so much for the video. Guys, I love and appreciate every single one of you guys. And like always, I'll see you on the next one, okay? Peace.